In this tutorial I will show you how to restrict saving, forwarding, or copying content on Telegram. Telegram Messenger gives group and channel owners more control over their content. If you're an owner or admin, you can stop members from saving, forwarding, or copying messages, media, and files. Here's how to enable this setting. Open the Telegram app on your phone and go to the group or channel where you're the owner or an admin. Tap the group's name or profile picture at the top to open its settings. In the top right corner, tap the pencil icon to edit. Select group type. Scroll down and look for the option called Restrict Saving Content. Toggle this switch on, then tap the check mark in the top right corner to confirm. Tap the check mark once more to save your changes. From now on, members of your group or channel won't be able to copy, forward, or save the content you post. This is a useful way to protect your shared media, files, and messages from being distributed outside your community. And that's it, you've successfully restricted saving content on Telegram.